Hello, this is an introduction into two communications program, one called Remind, which probably many of you are familiar with. The other one is called Text Now. Both of them will allow you to text or email anybody from a specific phone number that is not yours. It'll allow you to communicate back and forth with your students, and the best part is you can document every single word of it, so if you need it for future reference, you have it. So I'm going to try to make this quick, so I'm assuming that everybody knows how to create an account by giving your email and password and all that good stuff. So I am in my college one, and we're in the account. I kind of kept it private so I can get into people's names, not that anybody around here knows them. But we have the account, we're opened up, we're in the account, and the first thing you'll do is create a class. So you come over and you create a class. You name it whatever you want, test class, and it automatically gives you a class code. Now you can change this to make it more custom, but you're obviously out there against millions of others, so if it's the same one as somebody else's, you'll have to modify it. In this case I have my school, but you can also do not affiliated with a school as well. It's not a big thing. You have to check that you won't text anybody under 13, and then you create a class. Or you ask the parents' permission, as they said there. Alright, so now I'm in my test class that is creating, and I want to invite people to it. So I can add people by clicking the top right here, and then I have an option. I can type the person's name in and put their phone or email in. They can get either or both, so you can get text or an email, and you can sign them up for both. You can put them as a student, parent, or another teacher. You can give them that role. Then you have options on how you can do it. You can do that and it'll highlight add people. You click add people and it will send them a text or an email. They have to accept it at that point. So it's a twofold process, again, for privacy purposes. You can click on the printable PDF. This has all the information on how the person can sign up themselves via text or email. In-person instructions they give you, you can kind of see that there. Or you can share a link and just copy this link and send it out and they can sign up themselves. So you have multiple ways you can do that. Alright, we'll close this out. Now when you want to send a message, you just click up here. We don't have anybody in our list. Oh, I'm sorry, we have the categories here. Now we have the option too. We can click the class and everybody in the class gets it, or you can click everybody gets it, just the teachers in the group get it, just the students, or just the parents. So you have an option on who it goes to. You can also individually go to that person and send an individualized text to them as well. So you have that option as well. You would click continue, and then it will populate this field with whatever you clicked and give you an option in this space to type your message. It is limited to about 180 characters. However, the neat thing is when you go to send, and I'll just do a simulated one with whoever this lady is. Alright, so you type your message in here. I'm sorry, it says 1500, but that drops a lot. Unless they just added, they may have just added that for the Corona era to give you more space. You can upload photos, files, from your Google Drive, but you can only add one file, no matter what type it is, just for space purposes. So if you have something, you might want to convert it to a PDF and then just upload all of it as one file. You can send it to Google Classrooms, Sign Up Genius, bunch of different other ones as well. When you get done that, you can click send. You have the option here as well to click schedule and send it out at a future date as well, which is kind of nice. In the settings, and I'm trying to hurry up with this, in the settings, if you click up here, go to account settings, you can also decide how you want to get it. You want to get notifications when they come through via email or text. Also, do you want to have two-way messaging? This can be set up where you only send messages out, they can't send it back, or they can send it back. The other nice thing is when they send it back, it's only being sent back to you, not to the entire group, unless you put that setting on there. Alright, very quick overview on Remind, and we'll have to do Text Now in another video. Thanks a lot.